Welcome back, my dear students. Today I am back with another beautiful poem from your English Marigold book. Name of the poem is I Am Lucky. This poem is little bit long, but it is interesting and simple for you to understand. I will explain the poem partly and then I will give you the full poem. But students, before I start, I want to tell you that you must always read a poem loudly, because if you read a poem loudly, it will improve your pronunciation. As I said, name of the poem is I Am Lucky. Now can you tell me what is the meaning of lucky? The meaning of lucky is having good luck. Now let me start explaining the poem to you. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. In this poem, the kid tells that he would have been thankful even if he were a butterfly because it has wings. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. So, he would have been thankful even he were a myna because it can sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. Now students, what is the meaning of wriggle? Wriggle means to twist and turn quickly. And what is the meaning of giggle? Giggle means to laugh in a silly way. Then what is the meaning of glee? Glee means happiness or excitement. So the kid says that he would have been thankful even if he were a fish in the sea because it can giggle with delight. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. So the girl is feeling lucky to be herself. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. The boy goes on to say that he would have been happy and thankful even if he were an elephant because it can raise its trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. The kid says that he would have been thankful even if he were a kangaroo because it can hop high. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Again, he would have been thankful even if he were an octopus because it has 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be not you but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you, just you? So, just like everything has a unique characteristic, the kid is special too. He feels lucky to be just that. He don't want to be anything or anyone else. So children, what did we learn from the poem? The poem teaches us that we should be thankful for whatever we are, whether one is a butterfly, a myna, a fish or anything else. Everyone has a reason to be happy and feel lucky to be that way.